Welcome back Autoveiw Pro fans. Today we are diving headfirst into one of the wildest stories in the automotive world, something that feels almost too good to be true at the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome. Imagine taking the elegance, power, and heritage of Ferrari and fusing it into a luxury living space on wheels. It's an idea that sounds like pure fantasy, yet it has captured global attention with videos and leaks that promise the world's fastest luxury RV. We're going to explore everything that's been said about it, what looks real, what looks like speculation, and how a brand like Ferrari could even consider a project this bold. Picture this, a Ferrari-inspired motorhome, sleek red bodywork, sculpted curves, sharp aerodynamics, and an interior dripping with exotic leather, carbon fiber, and Italian craftsmanship. That's the kind of image floating around online. Some claim it carries a Ferrari V12 engine, others hint at a hybrid setup, while the boldest of them all call it the world's first supercar motorhome, priced anywhere between $3 and $5 million. But let's be clear, none of this has been confirmed by Ferrari themselves. What we have right now are flashy renderings, dramatic video titles, and walkthroughs of what looks like a futuristic prototype, leaving us to question, is this a bold marketing concept or a real project in motion? Now let's slow down and analyze the idea. A motorhome is fundamentally different from a supercar. Ferrari has built its legacy on lightness, agility, and speed, creating machines that hug the road and make your pulse race. An RV, on the other hand, is big, heavy, and designed for comfort, not cornering at 150 miles an hour. The challenge of merging those two worlds is enormous. A Ferrari motorhome would need a reinforced chassis, sophisticated suspension to carry the weight of living quarters, plumbing, and storage, plus enough rigidity to handle the power of a Ferrari engine. Even with modern composites and carbon fiber, making such a vehicle practical without sacrificing performance seems almost impossible. But let's play with the idea. Imagine a custom platform designed just for this, with Ferrari's engineers borrowing technology from their racing division. A V12 or hybrid V8 at the back, carefully tuned suspension, lightweight panels, and active aerodynamics that help the massive machine cut through air like no RV has before. Inside, picture Ferrari's obsessive attention to detail translated into lounge seating, a compact galley, a sleeping area, and a cockpit that feels like a blend between an F1 car and a private jet. It's outrageous, but the images circulating online make you believe it's possible, at least as a one-off showpiece. The price tag being floated around $3 to $5 million fits right into Ferrari's ultra-limited run strategy. Remember, Ferrari doesn't mass-produce for the sake of it. They've built exclusive cars for collectors, track-only specials, and unique commissions for clients who can afford anything. So if such a motorhome exists, it wouldn't be something you see parked at a typical RV campground. It would be a rolling sculpture, owned by perhaps a handful of billionaires who want the ultimate symbol of speed and luxury combined. So what do the videos show us? Most of them showcase sleek exterior shots, some with interiors that look too perfect to be true. High-definition renderings suggest this might be CGI in places, with angles and lighting that scream digital artwork more than real photography. A few clips show people walking through an interior, which could be a mocked-up display model. What's missing? Any true footage of the motorhome driving, engine sounds, or technical breakdowns from Ferrari. Until we see a vehicle on the road, tested, and wearing Ferrari's badge officially, it's impossible to say whether this is more than just an imaginative concept. And that leads us to the brand question. Ferrari's DNA is about performance and heritage. They make cars that win races, that dominate tracks, and that carry decades of tradition. Would they risk diluting that by making a motorhome? Historically, Ferrari has been extremely protective of their brand. Even their partnerships outside cars are rare and carefully chosen. But there's a chance that this concept is not really about production. It could be a design exercise, a showpiece meant to spark conversation, or perhaps a commissioned project that's being hyped up online. When we compare this rumored Ferrari motorhome to other luxury RVs on the market, the differences become clear. Companies like Marquee Mobile, Numa, and Prevost create incredible rolling mansions with luxury interiors and sky-high price tags. They're designed for comfort and status, not performance. They ride like buses, not sports cars. If Ferrari truly builds one, they'd be trying to merge both worlds, creating something never seen before. Imagine overtaking cars on the highway in a Ferrari motorhome that roars like a supercar. It's as crazy as it is thrilling. So where does that leave us? Right now, the 2026 Ferrari motorhome feels like a mix of fact and fantasy. The videos, renderings, and speculation create excitement, but the lack of hard evidence makes it difficult to confirm. What we can say for certain is that the automotive world loves this idea. It taps into a dream, a living Ferrari luxury while traveling the open road. Even if Ferrari never confirms it, the very thought pushes our imagination and gets people talking about what's possible when performance meets lifestyle. At Autoveiw Pro, we're keeping a close eye on this story. If Ferrari makes an announcement, shows a working prototype at Geneva or Monterey Car Week, or even hints at expanding into lifestyle vehicles, you can bet we'll be the first to cover it. Until then, it remains a fascinating blend of rumor, concept, and possibility. So what do you think? Is the Ferrari motorhome the ultimate expression of luxury travel, or just an internet dream that will never see production? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the most outrageous concepts out there, smash that like button, subscribe to Autoveiw Pro, and hit the bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and as always, drive curious.